Subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified whenever I will upload a new video. Hey guys, Namaste. Welcome to Untitled Creations. Today we are making shaker card. Valentine's Day is coming, so I thought of sharing this lovely card idea with you guys. So let's get started. Fold an A4 size thick paper in half and then cut your photocopy according to card size first. Now we will again trim this photo 2 cm from bottom and 1 cm from all other 3 sides. Using a glue stick, we will stick the photo to the card like I am doing here. Keep this aside and prepare the fillings for the shaker card. I am using small pieces of this shiny pipe cleaner to add some glitter, some foam sheet hearts and some other decoration stuffs. Keep the fillings aside for later use, and now let's make the upper border of the card. I am using this glittery pink paper for that. Using the card measurement, we will cut 4 strips for all 4 sides and all of them should be 1 cm wide. Now take a transparent plastic sheet and cut this one as well as per the measurement of card, but 2 cm less from the bottom side. Now we will apply thick double-sided tape on all 4 sides of plastic sheet, covering 1 cm of sheet on each side. It will look like this. Turn it around and attach the pink strips we have cut before on all 4 sides with the help of hot glue. It will go like this on card. Now remove the lining of the tape. Clean this inner side of the plastic sheet to remove any unwanted dirt before sticking it to the card. Now place your fillings carefully on the card and then carefully stick the plastic sheet on card. This is how all the shakings would work. Now on the bottom side, I am sticking this golden tape for adding some extra effect. You can also write some special code or date here and decorate it as you like. And we are done with our lovely shaker card. Make this for someone special in your life. It could be anyone, your parents, siblings, friends, or for that special partner of your life, and make them feel very special. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell button to get notified for all my upcoming videos. I will see you soon. Bye. Love being creative.